Dreaming of traveling to Vietnam but not sure where to start? Visas, budget, transport, places to visit? It can get overwhelming fast. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know to plan your trip easily, from documents and budget to the best destinations and local tips. Let's get started. Before anything else, you need to make sure you have the right documents. Getting a visa for Vietnam is usually simple. Most travelers can apply online for an e-visa, which allows you to stay up to 30 days. If you want to stay longer, there's also a 90-day option for around $30. The application is done directly on the official government website, and you'll find the link in the description. One important thing: if you're applying from Europe or the United States, the website doesn't always work properly. I personally tried 3 times and nothing happened when submitting the application. I've also seen reports from travelers, especially from North America, who were charged but never got their visa processed. The solution? Use a VPN with an Asian IP address. Yes, it sounds a bit ridiculous that it's impossible to apply from another continent, but using a VPN, it works perfectly. I used NordVPN. It's reliable and widely used by travelers. You can subscribe for just a few dollars for the duration of your trip, and it can also help you access certain websites that might be blocked in Vietnam. You'll find the link in the description as well. Now let's talk about budget. Vietnam is one of the most affordable countries in Southeast Asia. If you're traveling on a backpacker budget, you can comfortably live on $20 to $30 per day, including accommodation, food, and activities. If you're looking for a bit more comfort with nicer hotels and restaurants, a daily budget of $40 to $70 is more realistic. Personally, I like to stay at least a month in the same place. It allows me to save money on rent, work remotely, and really take the time to experience local life while exploring the region at a slower pace. When it comes to weather, it really depends on where you go. The north of Vietnam has distinct seasons with cooler winters and hot, humid summers. The south, on the other hand, stays warm all year round, with a dry season and a rainy season. Overall, the best time to visit Vietnam is between November and April, when the weather is generally good across most of the country. Just keep in mind that it can still be quite cold in the northern mountains during December and January. Vietnam is a long country, but getting around is surprisingly easy and affordable. For long distances, domestic flights are often the quickest and most convenient option, and they usually cost between $30 and $50. If you prefer a slower and more scenic journey, the train is a great experience, especially along the coast. That being said, one of the best ways to travel in Vietnam is by sleeper bus. These buses offer private cabins that are comfortable, affordable, and surprisingly well equipped. You get your own space with air conditioning, lights, Wi-Fi, and charging ports. It's also a great way to save money since you travel overnight and don't need to book accommodation for that night. Once you arrive in a city, getting around is very simple. You can rent a scooter for around $5 per day, use Grab, which is the local equivalent of Uber, or simply walk if you're in cities like Da Nang or Hoi An, which are very easy to explore on foot. Vietnam offers an incredible variety of landscapes and experiences, from busy cities to peaceful countryside and tropical beaches. If you start your journey in the north, Hanoi is a must-visit with its old quarter and vibrant atmosphere. From there, you can easily travel to Halong Bay or Ninh Binh, often called Halong Bay on land, both of which are among the most iconic destinations in the country. In central Vietnam, Hue offers a glimpse into the country's imperial history, while Hoi An stands out for its charming streets, colorful lanterns, and relaxed atmosphere. Just nearby, Da Nang is perfect if you're looking for beautiful beaches and a more modern city vibe. In the south, Ho Chi Minh City gives you a completely different perspective on Vietnam, with its energy and history. If you want to explore nature, the Mekong Delta is a must-see, known for its floating markets and lush landscapes. For those who enjoy hiking and mountain scenery, Sapa and Ha Giang in the north offer breathtaking rice terraces and authentic local villages. You'll find more detailed videos about some of these places on my channel, and more are coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe and not miss it. Vietnamese food is one of the highlights of any trip. One of the most famous dishes is pho, a flavorful noodle soup made with beef or chicken. Another must-try is banh mi, a Vietnamese sandwich influenced by French cuisine, which is perfect for a quick and affordable meal. You should also try fresh spring rolls and crispy pancakes known as banh xeo, both of which are widely available across the country. To really experience the local culture, eating at small street food stalls is the best option. The food is not only delicious but also incredibly cheap, often costing no more than $2 or $3 per meal. No matter your budget, Vietnam has plenty of accommodation options. If you're traveling on a budget, hostels are widely available and typically cost between $4 and $10 per night. If you're looking for more comfort, you can easily find 3- or 4-star hotels for $15 to $40 per night, often with a pool and breakfast included. For longer stays, renting an apartment is a great option. In cities like Da Nang or Hoi An, it's quite easy to find a modern studio for around $300 to $500 per month. Now you have everything you need to travel to Vietnam with confidence. From visas and transportation to must-see destinations, you're ready to plan an unforgettable trip. To make the most of your experience, try to eat local street food, use local transportation, and take the time to explore smaller villages. Talking to locals is also one of the best ways to discover the culture, and you'll quickly realize how welcoming people are. Let me know in the comments which place in Vietnam you'd like to visit the most. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel guides and tips about Vietnam and Southeast Asia. See you in the next adventure.